So today I'm gonna show you how to make a green juice. What is the purpose of drinking a green juice? It's good for you. Plus, if you make it at home, it's healthy and you know all the ingredients. So I would have usually 5 ingredients, but we're missing 1. But you can still make this green juice even without that 5th ingredient. So you're gonna need cucumber, pineapple already cut, spinach, agave, and also a little bit of water. So step 1, you're gonna throw your cucumber in the blender. Oh, you also need a blender. A blender. You're gonna maybe put like 1, 2, 3. Let's do 4. Okay. Now, gonna make it. What's gonna make it even more green is gonna be spinach. So just like a handful in there. And then you're gonna do, like, if you like your juice sweet, totally use agave. If you don't. Just like that much. Then you're gonna get some water. Pause it. I did about this much of water in the blender. So you want to do like half water. And then you're going to put your lid on. If I can find the lid. You're going to put the lid on, turn the blender on, maybe for like 10 seconds. Blend. 1, 2, 3. Let me get a cup. So you're gonna put it in a cup. You're gonna try it. That is so good. And you're all done. You made a green juice.